Moving on to proceedings from the House of Legislature, speaking in Parliament today, Speaker Chama Rajapaksa stated that before proposals regarding the Governor of the Central Bank and the Director General of the Bribery Commission are taken up for debate, investigations should be carried out by a committee. The Speaker noted that a debate can take place once its report is presented to Parliament. The Speaker announced his decision yesterday while a tense situation arose in Parliament regarding the proposals.
අදාළ යෝජනාධික සභාවේදී විවාදයට ගැනීමට පාර්ලිමේන්තුවට බලය
Parliament has the power to take up these two proposals for debate. However, prior to the debate, I have decided that it is suitable for the committee set up by Parliament or a special committee set up for this purpose to investigate the details of these proposals. I have also decided that a report containing the findings and recommendations of the committee should be tabled in Parliament immediately and thereafter taken up for debate. If not, the proposals made regarding the Governor of the Central Bank of Sri Lanka should be directed to the Committee on Public Enterprises, and investigations should be conducted by a subcommittee appointed by the COPE chairman. It is suitable to table its report in Parliament within 2 weeks.
Prime Minister Ranil Wickremesinghe today provided a reply to a question posed by the leader of the opposition in Parliament yesterday.
We signed the Commonwealth Heads of Government Declaration in 2013. President Maithripala Sirisena is the chair in office of the Commonwealth. As the chair, he cannot act against this declaration. The final decision can be made by Parliament, but we have a right. This talks about the rule of law. How do we implement it? We will obtain their views and present it to Parliament. Parliament will make the final decision, not any other entity. We are saying this because you signed the declaration in 2013. If it was not signed then, there would be no need for us to inquire from them. On the other hand, it is a procedure to eradicate corruption and we stand by that. That is why we have especially mentioned that we will act in line with Parliament. There is no need for a clash with Parliament.